Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how I maintain my eyebrows. I use the Finishing Touch Flawless Brows in between waxes because I still have a shape to my brows, but you can see hairs are growing. So if I don't want to get waxed, I'll just use this to kind of keep them looking fresh a little bit longer. I actually just recorded a video on how I get rid of the peach fuzz on my cheeks. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out the playlist to watch that. It is the same brand, the Finishing Touch Facial Hair Remover. So let's just go ahead and get started. Once it's on, I'm just gonna hold my skin and then I will move it into circular motions against the direction of hair growth. And I'll do the same for my other eyebrow. Now the top, I don't really see hairs out of place. It still has its shape. So I'm just going to do underneath my brow only, and I don't really get a unibrow either. So I'm just going to focus right here and focus right there. And that is all, because I just use this to maintain my eyebrows in between waxes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm done with that brow. Can you see the difference? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Okay, that was quick. I'm all done. Now once I'm all done, I twist the top open, and there's not really a lot of hairs in there, but I just used the brush that came with the package, and I will just clean the inside of it with the brush each time I use this. I do want to mention too that I do not have anything in my eyebrow area, like on my skin. My face has been cleansed and then dried, and then I do this. I don't like to have any makeup on or moisturizer, or I do have oily skin, so I won't wait throughout the day to do this while my skin is oily. I just do it right after cleansing my face. I don't do this as often as I use the facial hair remover, just because I wax my own brows. So if I don't feel like waxing and it's in between waxes, I'll use this. But most of the times I just wax my eyebrows, and you actually don't charge it like you do with the facial hair remover. It comes with a battery, and I honestly don't remember ever having to change the battery. But there you go. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up, please share, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.